today. Starbucks said it has answered its customers' demands by taking out the artificial flavors and colors and adding real pumpkin. That's something Rachel Platt and I will definitely be looking forward to.
At least 14 people are sick after a cucumber recall began in our state. The cucumbers were grown by Andrew and Williamson, a San Diego-produced company, under the limited edition label. The cucumbers were sold between August 1st and September 3rd. The Colorado Department of Public Health says that product was contaminated by salmonella, but it isn't sure if the cucumbers were the source of the outbreak. 26 other states have also been affected thus far.
You don't expect to find a deadly spider in your fruit, but that's exactly what a Michigan woman found after grocery shopping at a Walmart supercenter. When she returned home from the store, she put her carton of grapes in the sink, and a black widow spider crawled out. The panicked woman made a call to 911.
This really isn't an emergency.
Police officer accused of excessive force dancing caught on this surveillance video. We'll tell you who could be paying for the officer's force.
Plus, a Kentucky court clerk is out of jail after a judge dismissed her charges. We'll find out which presidential candidates do not support.
Check this out.
And an update on a conjoined twin whose mother came to Colorado to give birth. An update on how the survivor is doing.
It has been a fairly quiet day across southern Colorado tonight. Temperatures will drop to 53 degrees in Colorado Springs.
Here's my post. Baby kittens have been sold. Mother's Emily mixed colors. Okay, so I go up, and then I made collages of each one. Female. Female. They're numbered. Female. Male.
That's cool.
Yeah, and then we're going to $300.
Oh yeah, since you're like
The availability is down here. Cool, huh?
Yeah.
That's cool, one ad. And I got all those pictures in it, with one picture collage, with 3 of each.
It's your nature.
To list things.
I only had to upload 7 pictures.
Good.
One for each cat.